ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನೇಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇವಳು. ಹೌದಾ?
This is my favorite place ever in the world. We went to a marriage and we eat some food. And now we took photo. First we took photo and we ate food fast. And now we are coming. So they are late. Let's go and pick them. What are they doing? They're talking in a group. Realize it once. So this is Mamta. Hi. Hi. This is Nisarga. Say hi. And this is Mala. Say hi. So guys, that Rakshita who was telling like this. No, was telling you do not. You guys can understand English. Oh, Canada. So let's go. So that time we gone over there, okay. And this is the marriage, okay. We gone over there. See, it is there, no, that side. And we are thinking, who is this? They are not even in our village, from our village. We are thinking, okay. And it's wrong position. And we came over here. So she, my sister is also taking some videos. She's not even a vlogger, okay. She's Rakshita. This is my favorite place ever in the world. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.